Jake, what do we got going on with this Sea-Doo in here?
We're gonna do a RIVA kit with dual exhaust and a tuner.
Woo! She's gonna be spicy. Tell people what we got down on this table here.
Alright, so we got an oil catch can. We got the dual exhaust. This is the water box. This is what connects the dual exhaust. We got a Solus high performance impeller. We got a RIVA ECU. We got map tuners.
Your computer seems to be almost dead there, sir.
I see it.
You better work fast. Oh, look at that. Screen's black. Wonder what happened.
Computer died.
Damn. Rookies.
Rookies.
What time is it?
It is RIVA time.
That's pretty rowdy.
That's gnarly.
All right, Jake. You just got off that thing. How big of a monster is it?
It's wild. It'll take the breath out of you.
I can tell. You seem to be breathing a little harder than you were when we got here.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of machine.
I will say that thing sounds absolutely insane when it comes out of the water.
Yeah, it sounded good on the ski.
And watching you take off on it, it almost looks like an electric vehicle taking off. It's just like gone, just like that.
Yeah, it's a rocket ship.
Yeah, yes. So guys, if you want a RIVA kit done to yours, hit us up at Performances, or if you want to buy a new ski and have a RIVA kit put on it, give us a shout. We'll make it happen. As you can see, these things are rowdy. Rowdy. Catch you in the next one. Oh, and make sure you like and subscribe so you can see Jake rip around skis more. He can ride a ski. I don't care what anyone says about him.